And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you string methods. First one is string length. So these are usually properties that you can add to string variables to manipulate them or sometimes analyze them, you could say. Let us define a variable of name with the value Elon Musk. It needs to be in quotation marks. So we have a string here. And if you write that, you can see it works. We can also use on this variable name property .length, and this is now a string method. Let me add some text beforehand. The name has, and then name.length characters. And as this is a string, we need to put this in quotation marks as well. So this name has and the characters. And I add a spacing and the plus signs, what is called concatenation. Let me refresh it, and here it says the name has 9 characters. So name.length has counted the characters in the variable name, which in our case is 9, and then returns it. Let me change it to a German soccer player, Marco Reus. Now we have 10 characters. Let me change it to a longer name. This is actually a German horseback rider. His name is Paul Schockemöhle. And here everybody knows Donald Trump. So it counts the characters but also the white spaces. So it is important. And this makes it 12. So without the white space we would only have 11. And what it also counts if it's inside of the variable are special symbols, so special characters like question marks, dollar signs, and even the punctuation, so point, comma, all of that is added. So if I add 3 dollar signs, you can see we now have 15 characters. Always a good idea to try it out yourself. Let it count the characters in your name, and then try to add some special characters to see if it runs properly. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.